Hi friends, I am Dr. Abdequaem from Grace Healing Homeopathy. Today we'll discuss one of very polychrist remedies, of course, NATRUM MUR, but only in relation to a case which I have solved in relation to sleep. What are the important entry points of sleep symptom of NATRUM MUR? I'll give some clinical case and then describe the symptoms so that it is easy for you to understand and look into the patient. I had a very interesting case where we had taken the whole history of the patient, and the patient says that I have a problem with a lot of perspiration. Whatever I have, whatever disease I have a lot of perspiration, and I perspire and there is a lot of perspiration, especially when I'm sleeping. So we took the rubric, we repertorized with the whole remedy came, and basically it did not work as per expected. ऑन इंक्वायरिंग जब हमने पूछा उनसे पेशेंट को एग्जैक्टली पसीना कब आता है, डॉक्टर साहब पसीना हमेशा नहीं आता है, जब भी मेरे को कोई सपना आता है, कैसा भी सपना हो, तब ऐसे मुझे पूरा पसीना आ जाता है. एंड दैट वाज अ वेरी वेरी पर्टिकुलर सिम्टम दैट द पेशेंट टोल्ड दैट ड्रीमिंग विथ perspiration. So we added 3-4 symptoms of the remedy NATRUM MUR, and then we had 3-4 remedies in the repertory chart. We added this symptom and NATRUM MUR came, and we prescribed NATRUM MUR 1M, which cured the complaint. He was suffering from recurrent sinusitis. So this is very important to understand. Whenever the patient uses a symptom like perspiration or trembling or discharge, define that symptom. I always tell in my lectures, in my webinars, that define that symptom very precisely. Perspiration when the patient is dreaming. Of course, we have NATRUM MUR, we have silicia, we have sulfur, we have ignitia, we have phosphorus, arsenic, sepia. But if you define that symptom very properly, it is the remedy comes very nicely in the repertory chart. So dreaming with perspiration is very very important symptom of NATRUM MUR, one of the symptoms of sleep. Dreaming with perspiration. Next symptom in NATRUM MUR, always remember that sleep is disturbed from anxiety. Whenever there is anxiety, or you can say there is sleeplessness from grief. This word remember of NATRUM MUR, sleeplessness from grief. कुछ भी चीज की grief हो, दुखद घटना हो, उसके वजह से नींद नहीं आ रही हो, you have to think first of NATRUM MUR. Of course, there are remedies like sulfur is there, ignitia is there, sometimes really graphite is, and lachesis also are indicated when there is sleeplessness from grief. Remember this symptom very very precisely. One symptom which I have seen in many of cases of NATRUM MUR when we are treating fatty liver, in cases where the patient is not in a habit of eating non-vegetarian food, वो non-veg भी नहीं खाता, वो दारू भी नहीं पीता, सब अच्छा खाना वेज खाना खाता है, बराबर टाइम पे खाना खाता है, फिर भी पेशेंट को लिवर की तकलीफ होती है. एंड इन दिस केस व्हाट आई फाउंड इन दिस क्लैसिफिकेशन, इफ देयर इज स्लीपीनेस इन लिवर ट्रबल्स, थिंक अबाउट NATRUM MUR. मतलब NATRUM MUR पेशेंट को नींद बहुत आती है. डॉक्टर साहब जब से मुझे लिवर का तकलीफ हुआ ना, तब से मुझे नींद बहुत आती है. एंड देन वी थिंक मे बी लिवर डाइजेशन बराबर नहीं हो रहा, गैसेस बन रहे हैं और अनइजीनेस, इसलिए इसको नींद बहुत आ रही है, डल लग रहा है, बट ऐसा नहीं है. बहुत ज़्यादा नींद आ रही हो इन लिवर ट्रबल्स, स्लीपीनेस इन लिवर ट्रबल्स, थिंक अबाउट NATRUM MUR. You do compare NATRUM MUR with one remedy, that is silicia, and you'll see that NATRUM MUR is so very close to silicia in sleep complaints. One symptom more of NATRUM MUR that you should remember is sleepiness with nearly all complaints. इसको नींद भी बहुत आती है, and I have seen mostly NATRUM MUR suffers from sleepiness because of the cause of grief. When there is grief, he wants to just sleep. He's in grief, he's in depression. He wants to just shut off from the world. दुनिया से बात नहीं करना चाहता, किसी से बात नहीं करना चाहता, अलग रहना चाहता है, उसको नींद भी बहुत आती है. सो स्लीपीनेस विथ नियरली ऑल कंप्लेंट्स, ये भी बहुत एक इंपॉर्टेंट सिम्टम है NATRUM MUR. ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन थिंक अबाउट silicia, you can think about sulfur, you can think about ignitia or phosphorus, but NATRUM is also there. So these are the 4, and of course there are many of symptoms of sleepiness and sleeplessness of NATRUM MUR, but I have found these 4 or 5 symptoms very precisely and have discussed a case in short with you. That's how I prescribe NATRUM MUR in regarding to sleep. So my dear friends, if you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.